given statement, this is a biaxial stress system. Okay, what is value of sigma x? 120 MPa, sigma y 80 MPa, and tau xy 60 MPa. Okay, by analytical method we can use all these formulae to calculate normal stress, shear stress, major stress, minor stress, and maximum shear stress, and the locations. Locations means theta p1 and theta p2, and also theta s1 and theta s2. Okay, now we have to solve same numerical by using graphical method, that is Mohr circle method. Okay, now we'll go step by step. Okay, so these were the answers obtained yesterday. Normal stress obtained was 58.03. Now yes, just note down the answers because we have to verify those answers with graphical method. Okay, write down sigma n is equal to 58.03 MPa, which we already obtained yesterday. Okay, shear stress, that is tau, is equal to value of tau, that is shear stress, is 47.32 MPa. Then value of major stress, major stress 163.24 MPa. Minor stress 36.76 MPa. Angle for major stress, that is theta p1 minus 38.78 degree, theta p2 54.22 degree. Next, maximum shear stress, tau max 63.24 MPa. And their angles, that is angles of maximum shear stress plane, theta s1 is equal to 9.22 degree, and theta s2 99.22 degree. Okay, all these answers we obtained by analytical method, that is by using this formula. Okay, now we'll solve same problem by using graphical method. Okay, all of you now will just follow the steps given here. So we are now doing the same problem by Mohr circle. Okay, all of you take out scale, pencil, and just follow these steps. So right, draw x axis and y axis. Without discussion, I want you to do all these steps. X axis, y axis. While drawing it by graphically, please draw it on landscape page. What I mean to say, just give me draw it like this. Okay, x axis, y axis here, x axis here, because we need more space on positive x side, positive x direction. Is it clear? Now we have to decide scale for this. Okay, so I can decide scale 1 centimeter is equal to 10 megapascal. That means on x, while plotting this 120 MPa, we have to measure distance of 120 mm or 12 centimeter. Okay, This is the scale decided. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 MPa. Now next, have you drawn x and y axis? Now this is origin. Okay, this is y axis. On y axis which we plot? Shear stress. On x axis what do we plot? Normal stress. Okay, already we have drawn or we have solved this problem by Mohr circle. Okay, so on x axis we plot which stress? Normal stress. On y axis we plot shear stress, correct? On this side now we have to plot sigma x is equal to 120 MPa. That means how much centimeter? 1 centimeter is 10 MPa. So 120 MPa means 12 centimeters. So along x axis now plot along x axis plot 12 centimeter. So point at a distance, how much? This is 12 centimeter. This distance is 12 centimeter. Why 12? Because we have to plot 120 MPa. That's why 12 centimeter. Okay. Let that point is A. You can name any other OL, OM like we named previously. What this point indicates? It indicates sigma x is equal to 120 MPa. Okay. What is the value of sigma y? 80 MPa. Is it tensile or compressive? That also you have to take care. This 120 MPa is tensile, in bracket I can write this as tensile. This is also tensile. Where do we plot tensile stress? We plot tensile stress on positive x side, compressive stress on negative x side. Okay, and shear stress on y axis, along y axis. Okay, so now 80 MPa means this will be equal to 8 centimeters. So along this same axis now plot 8 centimeter. So this is at a distance 8 centimeter. This is sigma y is equal to 8 centimeter, that is 80 MPa. Means we have now plotted sigma x and sigma y. Have you done it, everyone? Next step. Now along y axis, how much is the shear stress value? 60 MPa. It is 60 MPa. Okay, so from point A, everyone pay attention. From point A below, we have to take distance equal to 6 centimeter because tau xy is how much? Tau xy is 60 MPa, that is equal to 6 centimeter. So from point A below, we have to take this distance equal to how much? 6 centimeter. Have you understood? Because now we are plotting shear stress. This sigma x is equal to 12 centimeter, already done. Sigma y is equal to 8 centimeter, that is done. And now tau xy is equal to 60 MPa, that is 6 centimeter along y direction. Okay? Are you all understanding this? Very simple process. Similarly, everyone, from point B also now we have to plot 6 centimeter up. Okay, so this is distance, this point is again 6 centimeter. But from where we have to draw? From point B, vertically up. From A, vertically down. From B, vertically up. Now this is the system of forces, okay, biaxial stress system, okay. So what we have done here, we have drawn this 60 MPa as tau xy, from A 6 centimeter below, from B 6 centimeter up, okay. Now next step, we have to join points D and E, those 2 points vertically up and down. Join them. You will get center of or midpoint of that line as C. Is it done? Next. Now, with this, what we are drawing is now Mohr circle. How it is drawn? With center C and radius equal to CD or CE. How much is the radius? CD or CE. Draw a circle. This circle is actually Mohr circle. Is it drawn? Circle? Circle is drawn, everyone. Now just highlight this line CD. Make it dark. Highlight this, you have to make it dark. Thin line. In the engineering graphics words we can say thick line, thin line. All other lines are thin lines. This is thick line. This is now called as reference plane. Okay, in this diagram, this is reference plane. You can see. So this is reference plane, which in Mohr circle is this. This is reference plane. इस प्लेन के साथ जो ऑब्लिक प्लेन हमें ड्रॉ करना है, उसका एंगल कितना है? Angle of the oblique plane with this plane is how much? This angle is 30 degree. But in this case, the angles are doubled, right? So from here now, that means half. So this line will be at 180 degree. CD and CE, they will be at 180 degree with each other, correct? Because they are diametrically opposite points, right? Okay, now from here, what we have to do? We have to take angle 2 theta. 2 theta मतलब कितना लेना angle? Theta given is 30. We have to take 60. So from here now use protractor, cone marker, and measure angle 2 theta, that is equal to 60. So this angle is equal to 60 degree. By putting the center at point C, aligning this protractor like this. Protractor is like this. You have to align it this way. Okay, और यहाँ से measure करना है आपको this angle as 60 degree. Have you understood? 60 degree में एक line draw करो. प्रोट्रैक्टर को इस तरह से अलाइन करना है. आई एम अगेन टेलिंग यू हाउ टू ड्रॉ दैट एंगल हियर. दिस इज अ प्रोट्रैक्टर. Okay, protractor is something like this. Align protractor this way with this 0 mark here. And from this line, measure angle is equal to 60 degree. Okay, you will get line something like this. Have you got it this way? Okay. This again make this line thick. This line को thick draw करो. This line actually indicates which plane? Oblique plane. Oblique plane making angle कितना? 30 degree. In actual practice, the angle is 30 degree, but in Mohr circle it is 2 theta, 60 degree. Okay. Oblique plane is obtained. Now we have to only measure some values so that we get the stresses. Okay. So next, now from this point A, B, C, D, let this point is M. Name this point as M. From here, draw a line perpendicular on x-axis. From point M, draw a line perpendicular on x-axis. Vertical line, in short. Vertical line from M. Is it wrong? Measure this distance now. From origin, measure this distance. Measure distance OM. You in centimeter, you tell me 16.1 centimeter. What is our scale? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 MPa. So what this is actually, this is normal stress. Okay, so distance OM is sigma m is equal to 161 megapascal. Normal stress value. And what was the analytical value? Analytical value of sigma m. 161. So graphically also we obtain same value. Have you all understood? 161.2. That small variation is acceptable. Plus minus 1 or 2 MPa is acceptable. See, some of you, it all depends upon accuracy. If you do it by AutoCAD, it will give you exact answers. AutoCAD में कोई करेगा अपने से? Can someone draw it and show me tomorrow? Yes, last bench. Can you work on AutoCAD? Can you do this? CAD and AutoCAD they are same. Okay. Tomorrow you will show me whole Mohr circle drawn to the scale, and we'll check whether we get these answers or in 61.28 or something like that. Okay. Task given to you. Can someone tell what will be the shear stress value in this case? From where to get shear stress value? We have obtained sigma m. Now we have to get tau. Yes, anyone? Tau value. Where is tau in this case? CM. Is it vertical? CM is vertical. Yes. Which point is this? M. Let us say this is N. अरे vertical distance, ये जो point है, what this point indicates? This indicates oblique plane, and this distance, vertical distance, is nothing but shear stress. So distance Mn, distance Mn is nothing but shear stress. How much is? 13 millimeter. You tell me centimeter. 1.8 centimeter. That is equal to 13 megapascal. Now check analytical value. Analytical value is 12 and 13. It's okay. Are you all understanding or not?
Yes, sir.
ये जो वैल्यू है पॉइंट OM और ON, I am calling it as ON. Okay. This point indicates normal stress. This distance is shear stress. Okay. हाँ. We'll do it later on. We'll continue this first. So normal and shear stress obtained. Next, we have to obtain major and minor stress. Okay. Major is normal stress. Major stress and minor stress both are normal stresses. Okay. So from O, if you measure distance of this outermost point, point on circle at maximum distance. कौन सा point है? Maximum distance. It is not this point. It is this point. Okay. So from O to, let us say this as OQ. If this point as Q. And measure distance and tell me. 16.4. Distance OQ is equal to 16.4 centimeter. 3, 4, 15 or even 16.5 is acceptable.
Yes.
Okay. By converting into scale, 164 megapascal. Correct? What is this? Normal stress, and that is maximum principal stress. Write down maximum principal stress. Sigma 1 is equal to 164 MPa. Analytical value. Analytically the value was 163 point something, na?
Yes.
That is okay. 163 point something, graphically we are getting 164. That is acceptable. Can someone tell where will be minor stress? ये आ गया major stress. Minor का? Yeah, it will be on this distance. Okay. So this is कौन सा stress? Minor stress. Sigma 3.6. So sigma 2 is equal to 3.6.
Yes.
3.5 है तो भी चलेगा, 3.7 है तो भी चलेगा. 1 plus minus 2. So 3.6 centimeter or 36 megapascal. Have you all obtained this value? Near to this?
Yes, sir.
Major minor stresses obtain. अभी आप क्या obtain करना है? Angles. जो कल हमने obtain किया था theta P1 and theta P2. Major plane का पहला plane कहाँ पे किस angle पे होगा और दूसरा कहाँ पे होगा? Okay, for that now you follow this process. हाँ, theta P1 जो हमने जो रेफरेंस लिया था ना, रेफरेंस से लेकर एक्स एक्सिस तक जो एंगल है वो अभी मेजर करो. अभी जो मेजर द एंगल प्रोट्रैक्टर को इस तरह से अरेंज करो, ये 0 और यहाँ से लेकर ये एंगल मेजर 71। लेटेस्ट एवरेज, लेकिन यहाँ पर जो एंगल है वो डबल है। एंगल्स इन एंगल्स इन मोर सर्कल आर ऑलवेज डबल। ओके, सो एक्चुअल एंगल कितना होगा? डिवाइड बाय 2, बट इट इज ऑन द नेगेटिव साइड। पॉजिटिव x on the below side we take it as negative, that's why it is minus 36. Okay, so what was the value analytically obtained? Minus 35 analytically, minus 36 graphically, that is okay. अब थीटा p2 कहाँ पे होगा? कैलकुलेट मेजर करने की जरूरत नहीं। कैन समवन टेल थीटा p2? if theta p1 is equal to minus 36, theta p2 will be minus 36 plus 90. We measure positive on this side. Next we have to obtain maximum shear stress. We know that shear stress is always on which axis? Y axis. Normal stress is always on x axis. Okay, so here normal stress, maximum shear stress is nothing but radius of the Mohr circle. What is maximum shear stress? Maximum shear stress is radius of Mohr circle. How much is the radius? Radius, this distance. Radius means distance CD or any 2 points. 6.3 centimeter or 63 megapascal. Okay, that is Mohr circle maximum, because any point which is at the maximum distance from the center is on the circle, और vertically हमें जाना है तो ये maximum हो गया, tau max. Have you understood? Now then angles. Next is we have to obtain angles of the maximum shear plane. For that we have to measure this angle now from reference. Always we have to measure angle from reference plane. This is reference plane. Okay, जो हमने initially draw किया था ये point से लेकर, ये है reference plane. Okay, इस plane से लेकर maximum shear plane कौन सा है? ये है maximum shear plane, vertically up. So अभी ये angle आपको measure करना है. You have to measure angle from this point to this. Measure that angle which is less than 180 but more than 90. Check it. This angle theta s1. Theta s1 मतलब क्या? In words you can write down angle of maximum shear plane